Hello guys, welcome to my channel Handwriting by Sultan. As you know, this channel is about name signature style videos. If you want to get your signature, you can comment your name. I will make most stylish and professional signatures for you. Today I will teach you how to make signature for M names. If your name starts with letter M, this video is for you. Watch full video carefully and subscribe my channel, comment your name and share it with your friends and family. I hope you will like my all videos and my channel. Thanks.